Hey everyone, want to update ueli to the latest version? Keeping ueli up to date gives you access to new features, bug fixes, performance improvements, and security updates. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to update ueli on Windows step by step, so let's get started. First, open ueli and go to the Settings or About section to see which version you're currently using. Knowing your installed version helps you determine whether an update is available. Next, open your web browser and visit the official ueli website. This is the safest place to download the latest release. As of June 2026, the latest stable release is v9 2090. Click the Windows Download button to download the newest installer. Save the setup file to your computer and wait for the download to finish. Before installing the update, completely close ueli. Right-click the ueli icon in the system tray and choose Exit, or end the process through Task Manager if it's still running. Run the newly downloaded installer and follow the installation wizard. In most cases, installing the latest version updates your existing installation while keeping your settings and shortcuts. Launch ueli again and return to the About section to confirm the new version number. If the version has changed successfully, the update is complete and you're ready to use the latest features. And that's how to update ueli on Windows. Keeping the application updated ensures you receive the latest improvements, bug fixes, and compatibility updates for the best experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.